her letter to her sister Celine, Saint Teresa of Child Jesus writes, Jesus wills that we give alms to him as to one poor and needy. He puts himself as it were at our mercy. He will take nothing but what we give him from our heart, and the very least trifle is precious in his sight. He stretches forth his hand, the sweet Saviour, to receive of us a little love, so that in radiant day of judgment he may be able to address to us those ineffable words, Come ye, blessed my Father, for I was hungry, and you gave me to eat. I was thirsty, and you gave me to drink. I was stranger, and you took me in, sick and visited me. I was in prison, and you came to me. Matthew chapter 25, 34 to 36.
काहे जे दुनिया में मुके तोय भेजाले, काहे जे दुनिया में मुके तोय भेजाले, जिए के मोय जानन नाही अतई सुंदर दुनिया में, काहे जे दुनिया में मुके तोय भेजाले।
In 1920, where COVID-19 has struck the entire world, the Lord has given us an opportunity to practice the above gospel passage. We, as handmaids of Mary, have immersed ourselves to share the pain and overwhelming struggles of the migrant laborer, which was to some extent unbearable as per human mind.
काहे जे दुनिया में मुके तोय भेजाले, काहे जे दुनिया में मुके तोय भेजाले, जिए के मोय जानन नाही अतई सुंदर दुनिया में, काहे जे दुनिया में मुके तोय भेजाले।
Dear listeners, this pandemic situation, how it is going to affect us or how long it is going to stay with us was unknown to us. We, the handmaids of Mary, with fear and anxiety, what we could do for these suffering brethren, especially for the migrant workers who had come from long ways from different states. Therefore, in order to solve this situation, how to help them out and provide them some facilities through our schools, hostels, and different social work centers, what we could do, we have presented this.
We, the general team and the Sisters of Sundargarh community, moved out to the villages and people to make them aware of the seriousness of COVID-19 pandemic. Due to the sudden lockdown, people had no provision at home. The worst affected people were the daily wage earning people who managed their lives from hand to mouth. So we provided ration for their daily needs and distributed sanitizer, soap and mask. Joining hands with others, we also provided food and water for those migrants who were traveling long way to their native place.
It's a blessing from the Almighty to be able to participate in the milk distribution from 9th April to 29th May 2020. It was a unique and living experience for all of us to move out of our own comfort zone to be with the poor and the needy at the periphery of Sundargarh Township and in hundreds of villages beyond the Sundargarh Township. And this particular program was sponsored by the Diya Dairy Farm, owned by Mr. Livinus Kindo, the retired IAS officer. It was also a united effort of Reverend Father Emmanuel Tuppo, the parish priest, the Sisters of Sundargarh, the non-teaching staff of St. Teresa English School, Sundargarh, and the youth of Sundargarh parish. This particular program was benefited by thousands of children, the old, the sick, the women, and hundreds and thousands of men and women who are deprived of the basic needs of life. It demanded a lot of hard work, meticulous planning to get the logistic done. However, the grace obtained from the Almighty is beyond measure.
We, the Snehatirthi province, shared the struggles and pains of these migrant workers. We cooperated with the government authorities in providing food materials, cooked food, also drinking water, masks, sanitizers and many other things. We also went around here and met the people and listened to them, counseled them and shared their pains and difficulties in this way.
At the outbreak of COVID-19 made us fear and anxiety, and we were trusting in the providence of God, went ahead to provide our institutions for the quarantine purpose. As well as we were in constant touch with our students, parents, guardians and co-workers, instructed them to follow the guidelines of the government for their safety and the safety of others. Along with that, we also distributed masks for all our co-workers, also people in and around us, and instructed them to follow the rules of the government and remain safe and securely in their homes.
During this pandemic period, we as doctors and nurses were not hesitant to extend our medical care to the needy, even if we had to risk our own safety. We faced a lot of oppositions and problems from people those who came from COVID-19 affected area. At times, we had to undergo self-quarantine for many days after treating such patients. Yet our spirit of service never faded.
house mold is ever wasted. It was for the first time in the history after 1948, such a scene of huge migration was seen by the poor migrant workers. Their plight was heart-rending. Millions of people worked on food for days and weeks together. As sudden lockdown began on 24th March 2020, with a day notice, as Janta curfew on 22nd March in the entire nation.
No man of goodwill can keep indifference seeing the trouble of the migrants, which was too heart-rending. On the highway of Rourkela and Bedbias, we could see thousands and thousands of migrants returning to their homeland and working for days together. Seeing this, we, the sisters of St. Teresa province, came out to the street to show our empathy, love and care to them. They were hungry, tired, their feet were swollen and wounded, clothes soiled as they were on street for days, weeks and months together.
During this COVID-19 pandemic, we, the Sisters of St. Teresa province, provided them with food, medical care, sanitizers and masks in different places like Vedavyas Chowk, Birimitrapur border, Salangabahan and Kirsramat, where they passed to the states of Jharkhand and Bengal. We also facilitated their safe home reaching by correlating to district and local administration.
Not being so much conscious of own age and health, many of our senior sisters also went around several villages to conscientize the people the seriousness of COVID-19 pandemic situation, importance of using masks, social distancing and sanitizer. They gave them vitamins and homemade remedies to enhance their immunity. Charity enters into the soul, it shows forth exteriorly. St. Teresa of Child Jesus says, on the day of my conversion, charity entered into my soul, and with it a deep yearning to forget self. Let this humanitarian concern that is awakened in our heart not vanish quickly, but remain with us till it grows into perfection. Let God be praised in all that we are and all that we do. Thank you.
करी दोस्कारी जीवा मोरा हदिगे तुरी सुंदर दुनिया के बर्बाद करी देलो आप करी दोस्कारी जीवा मोरा हदिगे तुरी सुंदर दुनिया के बर्बाद करी देलो तोरे कर